Well, good afternoon.
Good afternoon and welcome to what? No, we're not in Wales.
No, we are
In Witley Court
Witley Court.
in Worcestershire.
Yeah. We're not driving today.
It's a long way from. What are you doing?
Just putting the guide under my arm.
Yeah, we're not in Wales at all.
No, we're in Worcestershire.
Hmm.
Yep. For a change, we're going to go and have a look around. We've been here before many years ago around Witley Court. Just show you
Fascinating
around.
place.
Yep, it is. So very busy here today. Lots of people about. So we'll try and dodge the people, and we'll take it for a walk now on our way up to the hall or to the court. Right, off we go. Right, well, we're just on our way to the court now. There's a children's play area in the distance over there, a little picnic area as well. Bring your own picnic. So we're just following the path round.
This is shown as a woodland walk. So, how much woodland we'll see, I don't know.
No, hard to say.
But this is the direct route to the hall.
There's a leisure walk, there's a woodland walk.
The lakeside walk. Oh, that's the woodland walk to the left, I believe. Is it?
That's the woodland walk, yes.
Yeah,
And that's the walk we were going to do last time, but we ran out of time.
that's the woodland walk, and there's a lakeside walk to the right here.
Which goes that way.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh,
And here's the lake.
Lakeland landscape, this is.
There's a walk through the gate, going that way alongside the gate, the lake.
How long is it to the other side? How far is it to the other side?
Just see,
Not far.
a little bit of information there. So that's a wonderful lake. Geese on there. Quite a flock of Canada geese on there.
Mm. It's a glorious day,
It is absolutely stunning.
very warm.
Yeah, a little bit cloudy coming down, but certainly cleared up. Beautiful now. I am trying to avoid making videos with lots because there's so many little ones here today. Try and avoid them if we can. Oh, somebody's out shooting.
They might be shooting. So I've got to be careful with these scooters. Working on a bike right now.
Of course, this place is English heritage. And we are lifetime members. There's a little walk down the bottom there.
It's a long while since we've been here.
It is a long while, yes.
I don't remember half of this.
Yeah.
No.
Just quite a walk up to the court from the entrance.
That's a big tree.
That is an old ancient
Wow.
oak, that one. That's quite a girth on that one.
Do you want to be hot?
Trying to avoid people as much as I can. It's not like shoving the video in their face. It's uphill, Ness.
Yes,
You're feeling it?
yes.
Mm-hmm.
I should have used my sticks. I
Yeah.
didn't realise.
I'll be alright once you get
You
to
could
the
have
top.
reminded me.
I couldn't remember.
All I remember was the house and the fountain.
Yeah,
I didn't remember any of this.
and the fountain, if I remember last time, they'd only just got it working again.
Yeah.
It'll be alright. Once you get to the top, it'll be alright. Oh. It is driving up.
Mm.
And there it is. Yeah. Witley Court.
What's left of it?
Yeah. It was damaged by fire, I believe, from memory.
Mm. The walks, the woodland walk, the lakeside walk and everything is fine. You don't have to have a ticket for, but to come through past here to see the house, you need a ticket.
Yeah. So we've got to go and show our tickets so we can go in. So let's just pause for a second because we might have to show a card as well. Right, we've just been told the fountain is
Just about to be
just about to start.
started.
And she said if you leg it,
We've got to leg it round to the left.
yeah.
I can't leg it anywhere.
No,
They've done a hell of a lot here since we were here
Oh, yeah.
last. There it is.
and there it is. The fountain. It's a bit blowy as well, so
Yeah.
might get a bit of the noise. Now is I'm taking the short route. Ness is going round the path.
We didn't have the floral display here last time.
No, didn't know. Alright, just checking you're still on greens. I took the shortcut.
Across the grass. Yeah.
Yes. Now, isn't it?
What?
Was there two fountains or just the one?
I think there was just the one, wasn't there?
Yeah, I can't remember. No, I think there's a fountain around here. As you can see, the building's all burnt out inside. Nothing left from the Great Fire. Wonderful views
Hmm.
straight across the farmland. Lots of people here today sitting around. There's
Oh,
the
there's
fountain.
the other fountain.
That is the one that's going to start up very shortly.
Yeah, this one's newer.
Yeah.
That's the old one,
Oh,
the original.
yeah.
It's rather magnificent.
It is, isn't it? Rather grand. As much as the house was in its heyday. Shortcut across the grass.
It's a nice breeze.
It is. It's very warm here today. It's about 23, 24 degrees.
It's more than that, dear.
Wow, I'm going by what was on the motor when we got here. There it is, starting.
There it goes. Little one first.
The ones that started up. They're starting to have a wee, so the big one will be starting shortly. Bit of a bit closer. Now the big ones, the little ones at the bottom are starting on the big one. Wait for it to get going properly. It only goes so many times a day. There she
There
goes.
he goes.
We timed that just perfect.
Glorious.
Lots of people sitting around waiting and watching. Quite a few people making videos as well. I'm watching them all round with their phones making a video of this. I think it'll be all on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Now the
The
ones in
centre
the middle,
one's coming
the
now.
centre are starting now. Coming to a crescendo. Now it's going at full force. Even getting some of it, it's coming onto like a field of water. It's coming this way.
Yeah, the spray's being blown here by the wind.
Yeah. Going to imagine just behind me is the house. The plan around the view of the house. There's a slope coming down. That is the house up there. So you got that wonderful view from the house down to the waterfall. When the house was in its full glory.
Mm.
We'll come back round and we'll bring this video to an end and we'll say thanks for watching
If you like what you see, please click the like.
and subscribe, and we'll be back again very soon.
We're going to wander more.